If you're scaling a BRRRR portfolio, you know the nightmare. You're trying to figure out if the cash out refi from deal 1 will fund the acquisition of deal 2 inside a spreadsheet that looks like a spider web. Stop guessing. Start with our dedicated BRRRR template. Plug in your purchase, renovation budget, and refi assumptions. The engine instantly calculates your exact cash out refinance timeline. Now chain them. We link deal 1, deal 2, and deal 3 dynamically. Tell the engine to automatically roll the cash out proceeds from deal 1 straight into the equity injection of deal 2, and when deal 2 happens relative to the refi of deal 1, watch the timeline auto-adjust. If the refinance from deal 1 causes a shortfall in deal 2, the system flags it instantly so you can bridge the gap. You get a unified, calendar-aligned chronological ledger of your entire portfolio's capital events, and with one click, export the entire chain to an Excel model or PDF. Underwrite your strategy, build your chain, and scale your portfolio. Go to OneStopReal.com and build your first chain today.